Yo. Yo, what's up, guys? Here at Cow Branch MX, we got the 250 two-stroke, we got the 125 two-stroke, and then we got the lame four-stroke. Nah, we got the Yamahas. It's all Yamahas out today. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. Look at the KTM 250 two-stroke. I think you're outnumbered, bro. It's all two-strokes. The only one on a four-stroke. Oh, yeah. All right, we got the first rider on the track. Here we go. Rip it up, buddy. And we got a little bit of a surprise here today because if you look closely, that thing has 4 wheels. What? But yeah, he's got his helmet on and everything. I'm about to get my stuff on and head out there. We'll see the 125 machine in action. Hey guys, so I just pulled off track because I heard something wrong with the bike, like the chain slapping or some noise every time I go over a bump. It ended up being my front sprocket. It was rounded over, all the crap. So I ended up going back to the truck, telling my dad about it. He rode it, he heard it. I ended up just looping the step up and trying to just get that back end out, trying to learn how to whip and really bring it back, which I ended up doing really well. So stay tuned and keep watching to see my whip progression. Did really good for like my first whip ever. So yeah, ended up just looping that jump and just practicing. Hey guys, as you can see, my front sprocket is cooked. So that means I'm gonna just go whip this one jump and see what I can do.
That time you did more on the stage.
Oh, yeah, I felt like I slid.
Yeah. And to flatten it out, you gotta lay it over.
Yeah.
When you do it, you gotta lay down with it.
Yeah, I definitely felt like I slid a lot more.
I think it's a natural progression to go from where you're at to laying over. You just gotta do it over and over and over.
God, that one was crazy.
Try to force it, you're gonna land flat.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just trying to slide.
I feel like I'm sliding because I'm coming into
You gotta
this
let it
thing
just
so fast.
naturally come out.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I really didn't get any better one than that last one I showed you. It was really cool, biggest one I've ever done. Hope to do it more, but like I said, that was the best one. None of the other ones are that great. So now I'm gonna show y'all some iPhone clips and then that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more.